Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to register MIDAS account and verify it successfully. So MIDAS is a trading platform that you can trade futures and make some money from. And in today's video I'll guide you guys on how you can register the MIDAS account and verify it successfully. So without wasting my time, let me go to my browser. So I'll open my browser, and if you're new to this platform, I will leave the link in this video description for you guys to use it to sign up so that you can start trading and start making some money from this MIDAS platform. So this is the registration portal. And you need to enter your email address here, and a verification code will be sent to the email. Then you enter your password and you click on the register. So this is the invitation code I'm using, and I'll leave the code in the video description. I'll actually leave the link so that when you click on it, you automatically get the invitation code. So now let me enter the email I want to use to register. So I'll just paste in the email address I want to register with. After that, I'll click on send, and an OTP code will be sent to my email called makemoneywithsem@gmail.com. So let me click on the send button, and you can see an email has been sent. So I just go to my mailbox to check if I have received an email from MIDAS. And you can see this is the email I received. So let me copy the email, the code, the code from the email address, and paste the code over here. So I'll paste the code, then I'll set a password. So let me enter a password. So when I'm done entering my password, I'll enter the password over here again, so that I need to confirm the password. So when I'm done, I'll click on this register to register the account successfully. So you can see I have registered the account successfully. So now let me log into my account. So I will enter my email address, makemoneywithsem@gmail.com. Then I will enter my password over here. So let me enter my password. After that, I'll click on the login button. So login successful, and we have successfully registered the account. So this is the MIDAS platform, and you can make a lot of money from this platform. So since we are done registering an account, let me show you guys how to verify it successfully. So to verify your account, you just need to click on this home button. You click on the home button, then you click on your email address over here, then you scroll down, you see an authentication over here. So you scroll down and click on this authentication. So at this page, you need to verify it with your ID card. So this is a KYC verification you will do. So they have the junior certification and the advanced certification. So with the junior certification, you just need to click on this not certified to verify it. So you select the country you are from. So let's say you are from United States of America. You click on the United States, you select you enter your city over here. Maybe you are from New York City, you enter your city over here. Then you enter your name. You enter your name over here, your name on your ID card. Then you enter your ID number over here. After that, you click on this confirm submission. So when you are done submitting the details, this will be on pending. They will review this to check if everything is correct. So let's say after 2 to 3 minutes they are done reviewing, they will verify it for you. So when it's verified, this will open. So with the advanced certification, you take a picture of your ID card and a selfie holding the ID card, then you upload it here. So when you are done uploading the ID card and the image of you holding the ID card, they will verify it successfully. So when you are done verifying your account, you can then start trading. And also don't forget to set your withdrawal password. That is the fund password. So to set the withdrawal password, you just need to click on the security center. Then you click on fund password. So with the fund password, you will be able to make withdrawal. So let's say you have traded and make some profits and you want to withdraw your money, you will use the fund password to withdraw. So if you have not set your fund password, you just need to click on this, then you enter your password. You can use the same password you used to register the account, or you can just enter a new fund password over here. After that, you click on the confirm submission. Okay, so when you're done setting your fund password, this will enable you to make withdrawal. Let's say you want to withdraw money, you use the fund password to withdraw the money. Okay, and if this video helped you to register an account successfully and also verify it, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, and also this is the platform, the introduction of the platform. The MIDAS Exchange Global Professional Station is an innovative digital asset trading platform that serves professional trading users around the world, and it's committed to discovering high quality and innovative digital asset investment opportunities. Okay, so as I said, if this video helped you or guide you on how you can register an account and also verify it successfully, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.